Your WavyOcho gonna react to Lil Wayne Fly by My Night. If you haven't heard of this song, I suggest you like check it out. It's a really good song though. It's a really valid song. I ain't gonna lie. But let's click on this song though to react to this shit. And I like this beat too though. Or and mind you, this is where Lil Wayne was at his peak, bro. No funny. This is where Lil Wayne at his peak. You feel me? This was peak Lil Wayne, bro. I would say like 2008 through like I would say like 2013. Lil Wayne that was at his peak. I ain't gonna lie, like. And Lil Wayne was collabing with mad artists like Drake, 2 Chainz, Future, like who else? Nicki Minaj. The list goes on and on and on and on. Y'all know Lil Wayne, loves networking. Like Chris Brown, like mad artists back then. He's from New Orleans. Too much. He say too much for these niggas and too much for these hoes, man. And I'm talking hot in the song. Damn, he said he gonna Tiger Woods on these hoes, man. So yeah, bro, that's the song. This song is fire. This is a fire song by Lil Wayne. I think this is one of the most underrated Lil Wayne songs. If you ask me, this is one of the most underrated Lil Wayne songs. This song is underrated. I don't think it gets that much praises. You feel me? I mean, y'all see the views and likes and shit, like, but I don't think that many people is talking about this song. But yeah, this song's an underrated song, bro. I recommend y'all go listen to this song, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, bro, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know the vibes. We're just checking out you are.